Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 6 of the plantation project. So anyway, let me show you around. Okay, let's have a walk around. Let's start here. This is the Blue Mountain Stone. And here they're doing the joint on the dry line. Swim pool, just fitness steps there. So here they're fitting all the trail. Level there. One more up. Here, as you can see, for the curtain system. And the one's for the aircon. Two people sitting around talking. ไม่ทำนานจริงเหรอพูดเล่นไม่เป็นไร just joke with them saying they're saying they're working on top of the just taking a rest. This is the wall getting built. So I can't. Q1 set. How one, mate? Doing a beautiful job. Got a primer on the wall. Skim coat. It's actually a skim coat to put on. A view from the bedroom. So you'll not see any of the electrical line. It's all underground. Just finished skimming in the walk-in closet. And this here is the hot water for the hot water system. This is produced in Germany. So you get the hot water and then the cold water feed coming up. Toilet. That'll be the shower area. Let's walk into the other rooms. Oh. We have more women on this site than guys because they work very hard. Oh, ผู้หญิงเยอะนะช่างผู้หญิงเยอะ Yeah, in the other bathroom, so they're getting ready for Thailand. So not mine. Anyway, I'd say we've got 70% women working on this, and a couple of guys. This is the control room with a 3-phase coming in, and hot water system, hot water tank here. It's all taking shape. Third bedroom. Soon it's all done here. For the aircon. Walk-in closet. There you go, there's another one. She's worked for us, 10 years I think. That lady there and her daughter. Show you around. The crazy dog. Không có lời. Mấy bên ơi.
Ăn luôn. Ồ, lên đâu.
Okay guys, I'll stick the drone up now. Oh, you won't believe what just happened, guys. Right, I just get the new wireless system, wireless mic system, which is really good. And this one This one I was actually going to use, but now I'm using the Booyah wireless mic. And as I pulled out the bag, it bounced here and straight down there. And it wasn't cheap. Oh well, shit happens. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.